Hello students, chapter number 5. Our chapter number 5 is using pictures in Synfig Studio. We have to import pictures in our Synfig Studio. First of all, importance of images. Images means what? Picture. Image means what? A picture. Importance of images, it means what? We have to understand why image are useful in our Synfig Studio. Importance of image. Image means a picture. You know very well. Image means a picture. In Synfig, images are used to present animation with special appearance. In Synfig, images are used. Synfig માં images use થાય છે. કેમ થાય છે? To present animation with special appearance. If you want to apply, if you want to do presentation, if you want to make a presentation, then it is good practice to add pictures in your presentation. Clear? In Synfig, images are used to present animation with special appearance. If you want to make your presentation attractive, if you want to make your presentation attractive, if you want to presentation more powerful, then you have to use images. Now, how to add image in our Synfig Studio? How can we add images in our Synfig Studio? So there are two ways to add images. How many ways are there? There are two ways to add images in our Synfig Studio. First is go to file menu, and inside file menu you have to select import menu. First of all, we have to select file menu. Inside file menu we have to select import option. Which option? Import option. Here file is a menu, here file is a menu, and import is a option, not a menu. Clear? Here file is a menu. If you want to add images in your Synfig Studio, then you have to select which menu? File menu, and inside file menu you have to select import option. Or you can press shortcut key Ctrl plus capital I or small I. There are two ways to add images in your Synfig Studio. First is, if you want to add your images through file menu, then you have to select file menu option. Inside file menu you have to select import option. Which option? Import option. Can you see menu bar, file, edit, view? Inside file you have to select file menu. Inside file menu you can see import option. Which option? Import option. There are two ways to add images in your Synfig Studio. First is select file menu. Inside file menu you have to select import option, or second you can see shortcut key Ctrl plus I. Clear? So there are two ways to add images in your Synfig Studio. Next, changing the size of images. Changing the size of images, it means what? If you want to change the size of your image, then you can change it. Green color dots are used to change the size of the image. If you want to change the size of your image, then you can change it by using which color? Green color. Keep in mind which color? Green color. If you want to change the size of your image, then you can change it by using green color. You can see Synfig Studio screen. Now I want to import image. So first of all I have to select file menu. Inside file menu I have to select import option. Clear? Inside import option I have to select any one image. I want to select second number image. Now click on import option. Clear? You can see image in your canvas. Clear? Now can you see green color duck? It is used to change the size of your image. Clear? It is used to change the size of your image. If you want to change the size of your image, then you can change it by using this green color duck. By using this green color duck. Clear? Next option, rotating the image. Rotate it means what? If you want to rotate your image, then you can do it by using blue color duck. If you want to rotate the image, then you have to add rotate layer. First of all, if you want to rotate your layer, then you have to add rotate layer. Blue color duck is used to rotate the image. Which color duck? Blue color. Can you see blue color duck? Now you can rotate your image. Clear? If you want to rotate your image, then you can rotate it by using blue color duck. Keep in mind, green color duck is used to change the size of your image, and blue color duck is used to rotate your image. Clear? Now next, masking. Masking means what? Masking is a feature by which you can hide or reveal area of a layer. Mask, the word itself suggests its meaning. Masking means what? It is a feature in your ThinkFix Studio by which you can hide or reveal area of a layer. If you want to hide any area, any portion of your layer, then you can do it by using masking option. Which option? Masking option. If you want to hide any portion of your image, then you can do it by using masking. Masking is used to hide object and show it. If you want to hide your object, then you can do it by using masking. If you want to reshow your image, then you can do it by using masking. In short, masking is used to hide and show your images. Clear? For masking, blend method equals to alpha over. If you want to do masking, then you have to use blend method equals to alpha over. Blend method, do you know about it? Blend method in parameter panel you can see blend method. Now by default blend method is composite. Now you have to double click on your blend method. You have to double click on your blend method and you can see alpha over. Which option? Alpha over. Can you see it? It is used for masking. It is used for masking. Next, visibility of image is handled by blend and amount parameter. In our slideshow practical, in ThinkFix Studio practicals, we have already learned about blend and amount parameter. Which parameter? First is blend and second is amount. Blend, do you know about? You know very well about blend method. Blend method and second is parameter. Can you say it? Parameter? Sorry, amount. Now we have to right click on your amount. Now select convert and select time swap. Clear? જેવું ટાઈમ સ્વેપ સિલેક્ટ કરશો એની પ્રોપર્ટી આવી જશે. કઈ બિફોર આફ્ટર ટાઈમ એન્ડ લેન્થ. બિફોર આફ્ટર ટાઈમ એન્ડ લેન્થ. Clear? Amount property is used. Which property? Amount property. Amount property is used for setting the visibility of image. Visibility means what? 1, it means what? Layer is fully visible, and 0 means what? Layer is fully invisible. 1 means what? Layer is fully visible. 0 means what? Layer is fully invisible. Keep in mind, shift key we have to press to select all the images in the layer panel. Which key you have to press? Shift key. If you want to select more than one image, then you have to select press shift key. Which key? Shift key. Clear? For example, you can see second number image is already selected. Now I want to select second and for both images. Now so I have to use shift key. By using shift key I can select both these images at a time. Clear? Can you set shift key? By using shift key I can select both of these images. Clear? Now amount માં આપણે જ્યારે રાઈટ ક્લિક કરીને ટાઈમ સ્વેપ કરીએ બરાબર ત્યારે એની 4 પ્રોપર્ટીઝ આવે. કઈ? બિફોર, આફ્ટર, ટાઈમ ને લેન્થ. ક્લિયર? બિફોર, આફ્ટર, ટાઈમ એન્ડ લેન્થ.